Hello everyone, Lora Talks is here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell button. So this video is for parents who have children with special educational needs. And today I will start the series, How to Support Children in Numeracy and Maths Activities. So today I'm going to give you 4 different activities which you could do with the younger children or the children who levels are very low. It doesn't matter their age, but they still like in reception on your year 1 level. So I'm going to give you 4 different activities you can do with them to then make maths more interactive. So first activity, you learning children to count. And counting could be really boring and you want to kind of make it more fun and exciting. So why don't you go outside? Go outside into the park or just walk in a town, in a city and count jumps or steps or cars. And that counting kind of becomes more interesting and fun. So you're just going to say, okay, let's just check. Can you count for me 20 jumps? And then you are counting and your child is jumping. Can you count my jumps now? I will do this. Okay, let's see if we can count the steps. Let's see who's going to walk faster and who's going to count faster. And then you can do that counting backwards. Or let's actually do the counting backwards and maybe walk backwards. Or maybe you can do another physical activity like you go on a swing and say, oh, let's count how many times I'm going to push you on a swing. And then, let's check who counted correctly. So it's a different activity in counting. Now, also you can count in 2s, in 5s, in 10s using the same strategy. So then you did a different activity with counting. You can do adding the same way. Outside, go outside and take the chalk, and you can start writing some addition questions. Or first of all, you can actually practice to write the numbers all outside, and it's fun. If you go in a sandpit, you can use your finger and write the numbers in there, or you just write it down, the addition up to 10. So like say 2 plus 2, and you write them in a sand, and then your child can solve it. And it's quite fun and proactive, collecting the sticks and putting them, and you do it very interactive way, and you're still learning and you're still doing maths. But you're doing it outside and the child doesn't even realize. So, and your writing is involved in there. So you can use a chalk, you can do that on a sandpit, or you can write the numbers in the air with the finger and say number 5 and things like that. Now, the third activity, what you could do, you can go to the shop. You can go to the shop and tell your child, you got 50p. What can you get for 50p? Or even 20p? What treat you can get? So it's like understanding, like I've got that 20p or 50p and let's check the prices and what can I actually get within this range. And if your child is a little bit more advanced, maybe you can work it out, the change together. And that would be another third very interesting activity. And the fourth activity, why don't you create the little tallies outside? You go outside and look at the different vehicles. You look at the cars, you look at the buses, you look at the trucks and the bikes, and you make a little tally. You go outside and tally things, and you spot what transport did you notice outside. And you just walk and you tally things up, and then you count the totals, and then you can calculate how many cars were in a total altogether. And so it's 4 different tasks for you to do. Let your child outside, enjoy and have fun. And next week, I will give some different activities for all the children. Bye-bye for now.